The Costello is a welcoming design of elegant comfort and enhanced details displayed both inside and out. The 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath residence greets you with an elegant foyer and stylish formal dining room. The great room depicts the grand scope of the home with a vast paneled coffered ceiling open to the second floor and attractive built-in cabinetry and a marble-lined fireplace offering decorative accents. The spacious gourmet kitchen includes stainless steel Viking appliances, a large cooktop island, granite countertops, and an oversized dining area. The first floor deluxe master bedroom suite includes an oversized bath with a double granite top vanity, tile-lined shower, and lavish whirlpool tub. The home presents unique venues for entertaining, either outdoors along the large brick-lined screen porch or throughout the open second-floor game rooms. 2 additional bedroom suites and a large bonus room with a private bath offer additional living space, while superior standards complete this exceptional residence built by Buchanan Construction.